Hello beach class, we're going to carry on reading The Firework Maker's Daughter. So we've left Lao Chand and Chulak planning to come and rescue Lila or help Lila. So we'll pick it up just here, and this part of the story goes back to where Lila is. All this while, Lila had been making her way through the jungle towards the sacred volcano. Mount Merapi lay far to the north, and she had never seen it until late that afternoon she came to a bend in the jungle path and found herself beside the river. The size of the great mountain made her gasp. It was far away on the very edge of the world, but even so, it reached halfway up the sky, with the bare sides rising in a perfect cone to the glowing crater at the top. From time to time, the fire spirits who lived there rumbled angrily underground and threw boiling rocks high into the air. A plume of internal smoke drifted from the summit to join the clouds. How can I ever get there? She wondered, and felt her heart quail. But she had chosen to make the journey, and she could hardly turn back when she'd barely begun. She shifted her bundle from one shoulder to the other and walked on. The jungle was a noisy place. Monkeys gibbered in the trees, and parrots screeched, and crocodiles snapped their jaws in the river. Every so often, Lila had to step carefully over a snake sleeping in the sun, and once she heard the roar of a mighty tiger. So we're going to finish there, and I'm just going to have a quick look at today's task. So we've just listened to me reading the novel. Lila has started her journey to Mount Merapi. Can you find all the adjectives in the text that describe the setting? Choose 6 of them to use in your own sentences. So if you find all the adjectives which describes where she is and what she's doing. So if we remember, an adjective is a describing word, and you'll find it near a noun. So if I read this first sentence, all this while, Lila had been making her way through the jungle towards the sacred volcano. So volcano is our noun, that's the object in our sentence, and sacred is the adjective here used to describe it. So sacred means it was magical or mystical or linked to a religion, so something very special. So continue reading through, and when you find an adjective, just write it down in your book and then choose 6 of them to put into your own sentences. Okay, good luck.